Introducing Lug Buddy, the easiest and fastest way to clean your vehicle's lug nuts and lug holes. Does this look familiar? If you have ever tried to detail your own car, you know that the lug holes are one of the toughest places to clean. We have developed this product to feel great in your hand, rounded out all the sharp edges, and made the legs long enough to reach deeply seated lugs found on some aftermarket wheels. And for our Kickstarter family, we are sending a set of 2 Lug Buddies to ensure the perfect fit on your passenger vehicle. In the iterative design process, we have carefully selected a polymer that will be both chemically resistant to your detailing products and durable enough for prolonged use. Whether it's your daily driver or your weekend supercar cruiser, you can rest assured that Lug Buddy will not scratch your rims when used properly. Using your Lug Buddy tool is very simple. Start by selecting the correct size tool for your vehicle's lugs. Grab a clean microfiber towel and insert it between the legs of your Lug Buddy. Spray some of your favorite cleaning solution and insert into your lug hole. A quick twist and you're ready to roll. With Lug Buddy, each wheel takes less than 10 seconds to clean. It really is the best way to clean your lug nuts. We then used a 3D printer to prototype hundreds of iterations of Lug Buddy before we landed on this final version. We also tested many detailing chemicals and performed durability tests that exceed the scenarios typically found in the real world. Based on the results, we are confident Lug Buddy will withstand frequent use by both detailers and weekend warriors alike. Now that you have seen Lug Buddy, we need your help to make Lug Buddy become a reality. Reaching our goal means that we will be able to purchase the molds necessary to begin the injection molding production process. Be a part of the Lug Buddy family by helping support our project. We look forward to getting a Lug Buddy in your hands soon.